We're looking again at the pillar drill now in a bit more detail than before. First of all, we're going to look at the very top of the pillar drill under the guard. We're going to pull this little stopper out and expose the pulleys at the top. Now you can see that we've got pulleys of different sizes, and by adjusting where the belt is on the pulleys, we can create different speeds on the pillar drill depending on what material that we're drilling. At the back, this is connected to the motor, and again by changing this belt we can move to different speeds. You can see that on the top is a guide telling you what different speeds you can create by having the pulleys in different places and manoeuvring the belts around. Okay, now this won't work, the machine won't work unless this is shut. There's a micro switch by here which stops the machine from working if the guard is open. So put the guard back down. Okay, now the next part is the feed handle, and you can see that by rotating the feed handle moves the spindle up and down. Okay, so this would help us in drilling different materials at different speeds. Now it also has a depth gauge which is around the side, which stops you from drilling too deep into different materials. Okay, the machine base is movable but can also be bolted into the grooves that are on the bed and using these slots on the side. Alright, so if we're drilling very tough material, we might need to clamp that to the bed with bolts. Okay, the chuck here holds the drill bit in place. It can be moved in and out by twisting against this part in different directions. Will tighten it or loosen the chuck. We can put different drill bits, different drill sizes inside there for drilling different materials. Depending on the material that we're drilling, depends on the size of the drill and also the speed of the drill bit. Okay, the guard will move up and down depending on how low we have the bed. The bed will also move up and down by rotating the handle at the back, which we explained in the last video. Okay, on the bottom we have grooves again in the base. This is for bolting things into place if we're drilling very, very large things. Okay, this is the pillar drill in a bit more detail than last time.